What if the world had remained a quilt of agrarian societies, untouched by the thunderous wheels of industry? Imagine life without the rapid urbanization, the transformative technologies, and the profound societal shifts we now take for granted. This journey into the past reveals how the Industrial Revolution, a beacon of progress and chaos, reshaped our world. Firstly, consider the invention of the steam engine, a cornerstone of industrial change. Pioneered by James Watt in the late 18th century, the steam engine not only revolutionized the way goods were manufactured, but also how they were transported. It turned rivers into conveyor belts and landscapes into labyrinths of tracks and tunnels. The steam engine enabled factories to multiply, unrestrained by water sources, and set the stage for urban sprawl, pulling vast numbers from countryside to city. Moving to the looms of industry, the mechanization of textile production stands out as a pivotal breakthrough. Innovations like the spinning jenny and the power loom turned textile manufacturing on its head. Prior to these inventions, textiles were spun by hand, a labor-intensive process, confining production to the pace of human hands. Mechanization meant that fabric could be produced faster, cheaper, and in greater quantities, clothing the world in a new economic and social fabric. Lastly, the establishment of the factory system itself radically altered the human landscape. Factories centralized production, bringing together manpower, machines, and material under one roof. This shift not only increased efficiency, but also redefined labor roles, creating a structured, clock-bound workforce. The factory system epitomized the Industrial Revolution, symbolizing the shift from artisan to anonymous cog in a vast industrial machine, marking a profound change in the relationship between worker and work. In conclusion, these three innovations, the steam engine, textile mechanization, and the factory system, drove the Industrial Revolution forward. Each played a critical role in crafting the modern world, characterized by rapid technological advancement and significant social transformation. They collectively turned the wheels of change, steering humanity towards an era of unprecedented growth and complexity. The echoes of these innovations continue to resonate, shaping our lives in countless ways.